Amen. And then, what happened? Sure.
Think about this. I am gonna get the front. I am going to get it, okay?
Just hurry up. I'd like to go home.
I will. It's mine. Oh, I won. He comes back.
I
yes.
thought you won.
Woo.
Cheers. Salmonella cheers.
Tacos and Nikes. Hot tacos and Nikes. I can get enough of them hot tacos and Nikes. You think she goes? I can't do it. You can't do this.
Road trip essentials. East. Right. We're in Colorado now, boys. A steep climb down there and very icy, but very worth it. And the riskiest part begins. But the view, but the risk. How's it? Woo! How's it going on the sliding hill? My peeps. What just happened to us? My butt. My arm. My foot.
Dude. Dudes. Back to mud. Let's go. You did it.
Comprehend what we just did.
I don't think so. It's a beautiful tree. Moss. Tree.
Fungi.
Mountains. Water. We made it.
Then Randall knew she messed up. No, this is not a mess up. There's a great view up there.
Yep, that looks lovely. I'm gonna stay
Throw a
here.
crunch wrap and deprive her of coffee. She will go crazy on the top of it.
What did you just say?
I think there's a Dunkin' Donuts around here somewhere.
Why do you need that? Oh my goodness. Hi.
Let's go. Back to the vlog.
Where are we?
We are at Springs. We're on top of a cliff. This is where it all begins. I just ate a crunch wrap.
Yes.
Life is good.
And hiking boots.
Yeah. Wow.
So fresh. Hello.
Woo!
Those are amazing. I have tennis shoes. It's true.
Don't think about tomorrow. Today we are heroes. Here adventure calls. There are whole new worlds to see. I keep running.
You were right up there. We climbed up there. We came down the Ha ha ha.
Let's go.
This is where it all begins.
When you need Ben Rector so much that you leave the car running with the door open as trucks drive by, just so you can download
The music!
Put it on my playlist. You can leave now.
Okay. Your door almost got taken out by that orange truck.
Oh, I didn't see him. I hope you're in like a line at like Walmart or something, and I'll just be standing there with my credit card. Just like, kind of embarrassing. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog today. Our daughter's buying a candy bar.
Ice cream. Get every single flavor.
I like. Oh no! What have I done?